Flowers for the beautiful lady.
Actually, I'm gonna go home.
You're kidding. Look, I just spent $500 for dinner for us.
No, you didn't spend $500 on me. You spent that all on yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself.
So we just opened up our 6th office and went global in 3 continents. Business is booming. I'm actually thinking about buying a Ferrari. Yeah, have you been in one? Yeah, well, now's your chance.
How is everything, sir?
Absolutely fantastic, as usual. We'll take the check also.
Here you go. No rush.
$500? Cheap. Tell you what, here's a little something for your trouble, Gordon.
Wow, very generous of you, sir. Thank you so much.
Think nothing of it. So, are you ready to go? My. I'm full. How about you? I go to Gordon's place all the time. It's not really a top-of-the-line restaurant, but hey, he's a nice guy. This is my penthouse. It's right across the street. Let's just take a walk and go there.
Excuse me, sir. Flowers for the lady?
Absolutely. How much for the bunch?
It's $20 for the bunch.
You're kidding, $20. Tell you what, I'll give you 10 for the bunch.
Honestly, I'm just looking for food so that I can feed my son tonight. So anything would be a blessing.
Okay, well, now that I know that, I'll tell you what I'll do. Give you $5 for the entire bunch. Well, do you want it or not? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Flowers for the beautiful lady.
Actually, I'm gonna go home.
You're kidding. Look, I just spent $500 for dinner for us.
No, you didn't spend $500 on me. You spent that all on yourself. You see, you were so quick to spend money in front of the owner, impressing him with your expensive wine and your big tip because it made you look good. And that poor man who needed the money so bad to help his hungry son, you practically robbed him. And it's not because you didn't have the money, it's because he couldn't do anything for you. Here's a word of advice. Next time, spend money on someone who needs it rather than on someone who makes you look good. You should be ashamed of yourself.
In life, some people feel they have to flex their power over those without money to show that they're in control, but then decide to be generous with those who don't even need their generosity just because it helps make them look good or build their status. These people have no problem being big tippers at fancy restaurants, but when it comes to helping those in need, all of a sudden they're on a budget. How are people without money supposed to get ahead? Be the kind of person that buys things from less fortunate people at higher prices because they're the ones that need the help. And remember, as the saying goes, the true measure of a person is how they treat someone who can do them absolutely no good.